Welcome back to the Agent Lab. In earlier episodes, we've covered action, memory, and goal-directed behavior. Today, we're pulling back the curtain to look at the foundational blueprint, simple agent architectures. How are these intelligent systems actually built at their most basic level? Learning goals in this video includes understand the foundational components and flow of a simple single-agent system architecture, and how these elements enable an agent to perceive, process, and act within its environment with examples in IT production support. Think of a simple agent as a small, self-contained entity designed to do one or a few specific things really well. It's not a super intelligent general AI, but a focused problem solver. Understanding its basic architecture helps us grasp how it perceives its world, makes decisions, and takes action. Every simple agent, no matter how specialized, has these three core components: perception, cognition, and action module. First, the perception module. This is the agent's senses. It's how it observes its environment, whether it's reading sensor data, parsing log files, or listening to user input. This raw data is then fed into the cognition module, the agent's brain. This is where the magic of processing, reasoning, and planning happens, leveraging both short-term and long-term memory. It takes those observations and turns them into actionable insights. Once a decision or plan is made, it's passed to the action module. These are the agent's hands, the tools it uses to interact with the world. This could be anything from running a script, sending an API call, updating a database, or generating a report. Let's see this in action for IT production support. An agent's perception module might detect a high error rate in application logs. Its cognition module then reasons that these error 500 messages in the order processing service might be due to a full database connection pool, recalling this from its long-term memory. It then plans to increase the connection limit and restart the service. Finally, its action module executes these steps using specific APIs and scripts and updates the incident in Jira. This closed loop ensures problems are not just detected, but resolved proactively. Let's bring this to life in context of infra support. Imagine a monitoring agent that observes a web application's CPU usage. When CPU crosses 90%, the agent perceives an anomaly. It decides whether it's a temporary spike or a sustained overload. If sustained, it acts, perhaps by auto-scaling the server or notifying the SRE team. This is a simple reflex agent. It reacts based on current conditions without deep reasoning. Simple architectures evolve from reactive to more intelligent forms: reflex, model-based, goal-based, and utility-based agents. Each upgrade gives more foresight and better decision-making power. These architectures evolve from reactive to intelligent. In IT support, reflex agents handle immediate issues, while goal or utility-based agents prioritize service uptime and SLA compliance. Now we have a quiz time. Take a moment to think about your answers. Let's see how you did. The answer is C, cognition module. Let's look into next quiz question. And for the second question, the answer is B, perception module. To summarize, we learned about simple agent architectures. A simple agent architecture consists of three core modules: perception, cognition, and action. Perception gathers environmental data, cognition processes and plans, and action executes decisions through tools. In IT production support, this architecture enables agents to autonomously detect, diagnose, and resolve issues by forming a continuous feedback loop. And that concludes our exploration of simple agent architectures. We hope you now have a clearer picture of the fundamental building blocks that make these intelligent systems work. If you found this episode informative, please like, share, and subscribe to the Agent Lab for more insights into the world of AI agents. We'll see you in the next episode.